What's up, guys? We're back with another video, and I want to start off the video by saying thank y'all to all of y'all that's been liking, sharing, and commenting. We finally reached my 500 mark goal, and feels good, and I could have done it without y'all. So with that being said, guys, we're gonna jump into the video, and today, guys, we're gonna be talking about the Trailblazer. I've been getting a lot of questions about how long did it take me to do the swap, how long I've been working on the truck, how long I've been having the truck, a whole bunch of questions of the truck. So I figured, hey, I have a little bit of extra time today. I'll make a video explaining what has gone into the truck and what's coming for the truck. But yeah, guys, let's get this started. Let's get this going. And if you're new to the channel, guys, consider subscribing. You know, scroll down, click that subscribe, get a thumbs up if you like this video. But let's get going. Alright, guys, so we're downstairs, and I'm gonna start by the main question. I get this question asked a lot, and I'm gonna go ahead and answer it. There's always one person or two persons asking me, hey bro, hey cuz, hey homeboy, hey bro, hey bro, what's your name? So I'm gonna go ahead and answer that, guys. My name is Jesus. I usually go by Jesus, or I go by Jara. That's actually my last name. If you run into me at the meet, or at a truck meet, or the gas station, or on the street, and you want to holler at me, you can say, hey Jesus, hey cuz, or anything, it don't matter. Just a clone, hey, just a clone. If you become a real close friend of mine, then you will learn my nickname. Only a handful of people know me by my nickname. But yeah, guys, that's one of the main questions. Let's get to the truck. Alright, guys, so the truck is a 2002 Chevy Trailblazer, and I'm gonna put a picture of what it looked like when I got it right here. So that's what it looked like, guys, and now she obviously looks way different. We're gonna start by showing you what I have done to the truck, what I regret doing to the truck, and what's to come for the truck. Alright, guys, so this is the 2002 Chevy Trailblazer, and the only thing that I regret, guys, the only thing out of the whole entire truck, guys, is that right there. That rattle can paint job I did to it. I regret it. I fucked up. Oh well, it is what it is. But other than that, I like everything else, guys. I like everything else. We're gonna start off, guys, by the second most asked question. Hey bro, where did you get your bumpers? These are my second set of bumpers. I paid $350 for the front and back bumper, just for the bumpers. My first bumpers, they were all fucked up, they were all saggy and stuff. I ended up selling them. I paid $350 for both, and I sold my old ones for the same price, so I didn't lose and I didn't win. You know, I called it even. The grill, guys, this is one of the hardest things to come across, and when you do, guys, come across one, when you're trying to do this swap, you gotta jump on it, and you gotta jump on it fast. I'm talking about 2.5. oh, you're too slow, you gotta jump on that hole fast. I actually got this grill offer up for $50. It's crazy, but I got it real cheap. If you go and you try to look for it Anywhere else, the grill itself is like $200. Everybody's selling for like $200. The dealer, I think, wants like $390 or $380 when I asked back then. The little SS emblem, I got it at the junkyard for $3. Let's get to the second most, this is the third most asked question. Hey bro, what motor are you running? And guys, I went with this right here. It's a 5.3. It's a 5.3 aluminum block. Nothing special. Nothing special, guys. Just a regular 5.3 aluminum, and it's stock. It's stock all the way. Those are the most frequent questions I get every day, guys. So yeah, guys, those are the 3 questions I get asked the most, and you know, I'm here to clarify everything. Like I said, guys, it's a 5.3. It's a SS clone. It's not a real SS or a true SS. I paid $350 for my bumpers. I actually found these at a swap meet, the front and back. My first bumpers, I found them off offer up, and they were all fucked up. They were all ugly and stuff, so I got rid of those and I bought these. My wheels, the SS20s, Trailblazer SS20s, I got them for $400, guys. In Baytown, of a guy in Baytown. A real good deal, $400. They had good tires. They have good tires now. Just one is missing. But yeah, guys, now let's jump to how much I have spent on the truck. All right, guys, so I also get this question asked a lot, and what is a list of things that I will need off the back to start my swap? And the two most important things is down there, guys. Way down there is the oil pan, and these right here, you can't see them, but they're down here. Those are the motor mounts and frame mounts. And I would say the radiator as well, guys, is a big part. The radiator is a little bit different from the regular V6 or i6, whatever you want to call it. It's a little bit different, but that's pretty much it. You can use your stock transmission. You can use the regular transmission. You just have to change out the bell housing, and that's it. It's the bell housing, the mounts, the radiator, and that's pretty much it. And oh yeah, and the oil pan. Don't forget the oil pan. Guys, so like 2 years ago, I paid $1,200 for the Trailblazer itself. It was running good, no problems whatsoever. Shifted nice. She's been real good since day one. And I don't know, for some reason, guys, I can't keep nothing stock. I just can't. I don't know why. I don't know if it's I don't know, a disorder I have, or I don't know. But the truck was originally a V6. Now she's a 5.3. Let's talk about prices. This complete swap right here, guys, the complete swap, I paid $700. I actually bought a whole donor. If you go down in my videos, you will find a video on the Trailblazer. You will find a video of me purchasing the Trailblazer and taking the motor out and all that stuff, and a video in my playlist somewhere. If you want to check that out, you're more than welcome to. But I paid $700 for a complete donor, guys. It had a fresh built transmission, but the only thing it was that transmission was 4x4, so I couldn't use it. I had to change out the swap out the output shaft, and that's what I did. So my truck is a 5.3 with a 460 stock, all the way stock, and that's pretty much it. I paid $700 for the whole swap, like I said, and I did everything myself. So, you know, I'm not gonna charge I guess charge myself for labor. So we're roughly around what, 2,000 $2,000 with just the truck and the motor swap itself. The rims, they were $400, guys, so let's say $2,400. The bumpers were $350, so what's that, $27.50? Yeah, $27.50 or $26.50, I don't know, y'all do the math. And little parts here and there, guys. I really haven't bought nothing else for the truck other than that complete donor and these bumpers, the grill, the wheels, and that's pretty much it, guys. I did do my interior, all leather, gray leather. I would show it to y'all, but it's real dirty right now. But I paid for the complete seats, front and back, the complete carpet, and all the door panels. I paid $400. It was kind of high, but we're still in it was a real good deal considering the conditions that we're in. But yeah, guys, you know, it hasn't been, I'm probably still under, I'm still under 4,000. I know for sure I'm still under 35, maybe around the 32, 3,300 range. And a real SS, guys, obviously it's not gonna have a 5.3, but a real SS around Houston, they go for anywhere from 8,000 to 12,000. You know, that's the range. And I built one for, you know, what, like a third. I built one for like a third. And this is just for everybody that wants a real expensive truck and it doesn't come with the leather seats, or it doesn't come with the big motor, or it doesn't come with the wheels. You know, guys, you gotta work with what you get. And if you're fortunate enough to be able to get it how you want it, you know, the first time around, that's real good. But if you can't, you know, that's good too. You know, you can always do little stuff here and there, buy parts here, buy parts there, just like I did. I know if I could do it, y'all can do it too. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. But don't forget, guys, this Sunday coming up, we're actually gonna be at the benefit. I'm gonna put the flyer right here. Hopefully y'all can come out and join us. We're gonna have food, we're gonna have live music, there's gonna be a couple raffles going on. It's supposedly it's gonna get pretty nice, pretty big, and hopefully it does. It's for a good cause. So if y'all are out there and want to say what's up, don't hesitate. Show me, hey, pinche gordo, or hey, what's up, or whatever. It don't matter, guys. I will be having some stickers, some Just a Clone stickers, and I will be having both of these. I'm gonna be giving away some to whoever comes up to me. So I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna take that many. But if you do see me out there, you're more than welcome to say what's up, and I'll shoot you a free sticker. I do have those for sale, guys. If you want to help out the channel, they're $5. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget, God is good. Keep pushing and don't give up.